My name is Rafael Muñoz. I am studying Master's in Administration of Organization. This is my view on the effect of technology on the environment. The change in living conditions, the increase in population, the increase in energy space, the need to increase the production of food or consumer goods have led to great technological advances in today's society. The consequences of these are major environmental problems such as environmental pollution, feeding of trees, or urbanization of land. My opinion on the positive and negative effect of technology on the environment. The several climate change that we face today are somehow related to technological advance. Therefore, negative effects are the ones most likely to happen since we, we just do not care about what is going on waiting for space, river, dry and animal. The just to make new advance. Positive effect. The technology is considered one of the most remarkable advance for people. Interesting, according to recent research, it was concluded that current trend of technology has contributed to cut down poverty level by helping people to have a dignified life. The future of our planet. The scarcity of natural resources will be another of the terrible consequence of the continued and uncontrollable level of consumption that people have today. I believe that global warming, environment damage, and environmental pollution had an impact on the scarcity of natural resources and economic growth. If current trend continues, we must take necessary measures for people to change their habits. Environmental damage. If people don't change their energy-saving habits, its current trend continues as increasing level of water, consumption and pollution of rivers, it is necessary to combat the increasing rate of water consumption. Environment, environmental pollution with more drastic law. Thank you very much.